I know where heaven dey, and every other scientist know where heaven dey. If they no tell you, na just because say they no wan tell you, no be because say they no know. But for this video, I go tell you where you go find heaven. But before I tell you, make I tell you why you no know where in dey. You need to understand the difference between you and a scientist. Scientists are people that deal with logic. You can't establish a law in science until you establish a fact. But you deal with faith. You don't need to establish a fact. You can just go straight to making a theory a law. Let me break this down in a very simple way. This thing na ruler. In the next 500 years, ruler don't dey different. They no need rule again, na AI they work. But person find this thing. That person come tell you, say, 500 years ago, these na things where people use the control snake. You, as somebody that believe in faith, you will agree to it. But if you show this thing to a scientist in the next 500 years, even though say they no know say something like this exists, now AI they carry out all the whole measurements now, that person no go just believe say they use this thing control snake. They will need to put that theory into test. They will measure this thing different angles, carry and put on top board, mark them like this, say, 500 years ago, these people been use this thing, they do ruler, so that they go they get straight line. But you that believe in faith, if they tell you say they use this thing control snake, you go believe. This is the difference between you and a scientist. Now, make I go straight to where heaven dey. To understand where heaven dey, you need to understand what is heaven. We know now that heaven is not a physical place. Therefore, heaven doesn't exist physically. But we know where heaven exists, and it exists in faith. It means that if you have the faith in heaven, heaven exists in your reality. But that also means that for anybody who no believe in that faith, heaven does not exist in their reality. To break and make it dey simple, heaven they exist in the faith of anybody who believe in heaven. If you no believe in heaven, heaven does not exist in your reality. It just dey like some people believe in ghost and some people no believe. Anybody who no believe in ghost no they exist in a reality. Anybody who believe in ghost they exist in that person's reality. Now go for comment section and tell me, does heaven exist in your reality or not? If heaven exists in your reality, give this video a like. If heaven does not exist in your reality, share this video so more people will see it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to watch more scientific related videos from me, make sure to follow me so you don't miss out when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.